All right, hello Mathies. It is Michelle here with MathDoctor.org, and we are going to do another 7th grade SBAC type question. We're looking at expressions, so here we go. Select all expressions that are equivalent to 3x plus 5x plus 3 plus 5x. And technically it's 3x plus the quantity of 2x plus 3 plus 5x. All right, I'm going to show you the official way to do it, and I'm going to show you my math hack way if you don't remember the official way. All right, first, the official way to do it. Well, here we have, if we combine it here, we've got 3x, 2x, plus 2x plus 3 plus 5x. Because there's nothing in front of the parentheses, there's nothing that we have to distribute. Wow, I wrote that so wrong. Let's try that one more time. 3x plus 2x plus 3 plus 5x. There we go. Now, there's something that's called the commutative property. What the commutative property does is it allows you to move terms back and forth. A term is anything that's in between operational signs. And that's not the official definition, but for our purposes, that'll work. So let's look here. This says 5x plus 3. Well, how did they get that? Plus 5x. Well, if we use something called the associative property, we can move these parentheses. Because I didn't change the signs. All I did was move the parentheses. If I do that, I get this first equation. So that's correct. Now look at this next equation. This next equation says 5x. Well, clearly, if I combine these next terms, I'm left with 10x plus 3. So 5x plus 3 is not the same as 10x plus 3. Well, for our purposes, it's not technically if x equals 0, it would be, but we're not going there. So I'll cross that one out. Let's look at this next one. Again, remember, we're shooting for 10x plus 3. Well, here we have 3x plus 7x is 10x. 10x plus 3, so that works, and then good old 10x plus 3. So those three are the correct answers. Now let me show you the math hack way to do it, because we like how to hack math. Here we go. So here's our original problem. Now, in this case, because there's no subtraction, let's pick a simple number. Now, I often ask kids just to pick one, but let's be a little gutsy and let's go for 2 and see what works. So if we put 2 in for each one of these numbers, we're left with 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 plus 5 times 2, right? All we're doing is substituting in. 3 times 2 is 6 plus, well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 10. We're left with 23. 23 is our magic number. Now for each one of these here, we're just going to put in 2 and see what happens. So let's see. Here we have our 5x plus 3 plus 5x. Well, let's say we don't know how to combine like terms. No problem. We're going to substitute the 2. 5 times 2 plus 3 plus 5 times 2. Well, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 plus 10 equals 23. So we've confirmed the first one's correct. Let's look at the next example. I'll put it over here. 5x plus 3. Remember we said x equals 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So we've confirmed that one doesn't work. Next one. All I'm doing is using the answers for my benefit. Now, to be transparent, if it asks you to put the answer in, you need to know how to do the math. But in this instance, it gave us choices. We had to select which was best so we could use the math hack of substitution. If we don't have that, then we're crap out of luck. I mean, other ways is you can guess how to do it and substitute in each of your guesses to get the right answer if they didn't give you choices. But thankfully, in this case, they did. I'm sorry. Let's keep going because we don't want to watch this video forever. There's our 23 again, so the second one was correct, and clearly the last one will also be correct. All right, again, there are many different ways to do mathematics. All you got to do is first try. We're going to look at the problem. What do we know? See if what we know can help guide us further down the path. This is just a simple thing of combining like terms, but if I didn't remember how to combine like terms, I know how to substitute. So I picked a number and went through in order for it. Now, if there was a subtraction sign, we could still pick a number, but we pick a higher number. And there's another video where I talk about that. All right, I think we'll stop right there. Thank you so much for watching. It's Michelle with MathDoctor.org. Keep doing math. You can do it. It takes practice, just like anything else in life. All right, ciao, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.